I hit the league cause I ain't fucking with him. Getting high, hit the peak, I can't explain the feeling. Sipping poison, slow me down, but I love the venom. Know my brother really rides, so I'm running with him. Hope it's worth it in the end, I hope we make it out. And if I ever turn my back, then you could take me out. I'm weed whacking anybody trying to snake me out. I'm so invested in myself, don't need a bank account. Tell me what it's worth, I don't need it, I'ma let it go. I've been on the lights since I understood what we headed for. I was long gone before they got to ready, set, and go. Knew I was the one.
So we got sloppy pasta. We got the homies over there. Shout out to the homies. Hey,
Squad.
ready for today? Fucking ready. Let's get it. We're going to ABS. We're almost there. Just filling up on gas real quick, and now we're going. You know when you see this shit, it's about to go down. This is the dreaded dirt road of ABS. I know they're trying to work on it, but it's fucking bad right now. But we're gonna cruise down this road, get to ABS, and get sliding in about an hour. All right, we're at ABS. We're lining up to come in. We got here late. We usually get here early, but we're here, about to pay, sign the waiver, and get going. We gotta find the pit spot. We pulled up. We at the event, about to start unloading shit. There's a lot of sick cars. Fucking hella. These are the i300s we saw on the freeway. That's fucking sick. So there's hella heads actually. There's gonna be like fucking what, like 40 heads? Or 47 they said? Maybe. Alright, stock wheels are on. Joey's already going out. We're taking a break. We're getting some food from Buller's. I'll put the link down in the description. I don't like eggs, so mine came without eggs, but breakfast burrito shit's fire with some spicy mayo. Don't sleep on it.
I was gonna make an egg joke.
Dude!
You're good. I don't know. It was like the quarter panel. Oh. Joey.
Yeah, this quarter panel.
Is it?
That was sick. Yeah, bro, we just went in. Hopefully there's clips. Did you get any clips?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh wait, I'll insert the spin out one. Me and Joey almost fucking crashed. Watch out. Me and Joey almost fucking crashed. My tires are hot. Yeah, my tires are hot. So,
It's not bad.
we're doing some tandeming and it got bent a little bit. But it's all good because she's a drift car and that's what we do it for. Let me see where I hit Joey. Let me see.
It's nothing. It's just
Bro, that's nothing. I'm fucking. Hey.
Not bad.
That's what Tandems
I
about.
spun out, right?
Yeah.
I spun out, and I was like, "Fuck, he's too."
You watched that? That was fucking sick.
What?
Alright, so I'm gonna put my my second set on. What time is it, Joey?
Huh?
What time is it?
2:30.
2:30. Barely putting my second set on of those fucking Westlake's Ling Longs. It works pretty good. Fuck, I think I might need to rejack it. Can you jack it up?
Jack it up?
Yeah.
Wait. Let me get you the tool. Hey, here you go, bro.
Oh.
Don't break the lug nuts.
Oh, alright, thanks, bro.
Be careful with that. It's on full battery.
Like that?
I usually thread them on a little bit. There you go. And then be careful because it will jerk your hand.
Oh, fuck, that was hard.
Oh, shit.
Damn. Just gun it down.
All right.
That's that. Alrighty. So yeah, second set, Westlakes. It's about like 3 o'clock, I think. I think these are gonna be my last set of tires. So I think we're gonna have even enough afterwards. So we're chilling. Best tool you can use out there.
3 heads deep.
Join us! Yeah!
Oh!
Yeah, bro, at least it wasn't that bad. That's the bend right there. My hands are still fucking shaking, bro. I'm dead. We're fucking going in, bro. Hey, Leo, shout out to Leo for those clips. We'll put them in the video, bro. Oh my gosh, these cars are doing awesome. They're fucking doing awesome. They're holding up, and we're going in right now, bro. So I'm almost on E. Luckily, Joey brought some gas, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up. There we go. right, so it's 4:20, we got 10 minutes left, so we're gonna go out, do our last laps because at 4:30 it's done. We just cooled on the tires, we're at 50. Joey just put some freshies on. We're gonna go in. All right, so we're cruising home. We're coming, this Victorville right here we're coming up to. We got Leo on the front, Joey slapping pasta in the back, and Jose behind him. We're just cruising to the nearest gas station because I have almost no gas. And we might get some Starbucks. And yeah, we gotta drive home, and then I'll update you guys when I get home. Last stop is Wendy's. Gonna get some food for me and my girl, and we're heading home. It's currently 8:58, so yeah, I've been out here all day. I guess I'll just close out the video here. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys like the video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want, something to say, comment, question, put it down in the comment section down below. Appreciate you guys watching. I hope I could do more content like this. With the dad life, I can't really do it much, but nonetheless, we'll keep doing it throughout the year. And hit that subscribe button. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh, one more thing. Shouts out Drift Life Media for hosting a badass event. Shout out to Leo. Shout out to Jose. Shout out to Joey. They all helped me so much today to get out there. So shouts out to all of them. Shouts out to my girl and my baby at home. She held it down at home with my baby all day, so just wanted to give a shout out to her. All right, guys, have a good night, good morning, whenever you're watching this. Thank you.
All this money on my membrane. Motherfucker, who is you? What's your end game? Punk bitch bust a move acting insane. These bullets finna swim through your guts like a fish tank. You know I ain't scared to sacrifice a gun.